Okay, so we're going to have a look at this distance, speed and time question from the 2013 Junior Cert Higher Level Paper 1. So it's question 6, and we've been told that car A and B set off from a starting point S. At the same time, they travel the same route to destination D, which is 70 kilometers away. Car A travels at an average speed of 50 kilometers per hour, and car B travels at an average speed of 45 kilometers per hour. So car A is clearly a little bit faster than car B. How far will car B have travelled by the time car A arrives at its destination D? So we know that car A is faster, so obviously it's going to arrive at D before car B does, and then the question is, how far has B gone at that time? So the way we're going to do this question is we're going to start by calculating just how long it takes car A to travel the full 70 kilometers. And we'll then figure out how far car B travelled in that time. So we have our famous triangle for calculating distance, speed and time. So you might remember it from Dad's silly triangle. So initially we're looking for time. We're looking for how long it takes car A to travel the 70 kilometers. And so time is equal to distance over speed. So the distance travelled is clearly 70 kilometers and the speed is 50 kilometers per hour. And so if we divide 50 into 70, we get 1.4 hours. Now, there's no need to turn this into hours and minutes. We're going to use this time for the second part of the question, and so we prefer it in decimal form as it is here. We're interested in the distance travelled by car B in 1.4 hours at a speed of 45 kilometers per hour. And so distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. So multiplying the speed 45 by the time 1.4, we calculate that car B has travelled 63 kilometers in the time it took car A to reach D and travel the full 70 kilometers.